New at 5, Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center has been experiencing IT issues that have affected their computer systems and applications, forcing their systems to go offline. The university has created an information page for students, patients, and team members to navigate certain questions. Our KTSM 9 News reporter Jesus Baltasar has been following the story. He's live in Central El Paso. And Jesus, what have you learned?
Estela, it is unclear at this time how the extent of the impact of this IT outage on people. What I can tell you is I've spoken with students, staff, and patients alike who have been touched by this outage. For some, it has been a stressful situation. For others, it has merely been an inconvenience. Via their website, Texas Tech Health Sciences Center reported that they had to take their systems down out of an abundance of caution due to IT issues, and they are working diligently to investigate the cause of the issue to bring their systems back up. Speaking with patients at the Texas Tech Physicians of El Paso Clinic, they explained that they were given the option of rescheduling their appointments until further notice or to proceed, but that they would have to fill out extensive information as systems are down. For Jorge Emiliano, rescheduling was not an option as it is challenging enough for him to be able to join his elderly parents for their appointments.
I try to accompany my parents to their appointments as much as I can. When I can't, they have to come alone and fend for themselves as best as they can. At this age, my father can't fully fend for himself. By that I mean he cannot provide all of the information they're asking of him. In this instance, if they're asking him when his last visit was, what are the names of the medications he was prescribed, he's not going to know.
Emiliano says he understands these issues are prone to happen, but questions why there isn't any backup information printed on paper to ease the process and burden on the elderly people. It is unclear whether this outage is related to a ransomware attack that has impacted the University Medical Center in Lubbock, which is linked to Texas Tech. Now, we have reached out to officials with Texas Tech. As of this newscast, we have not yet received a response. I can tell you, though, that we reached out to officials with University Medical Center here in El Paso. They inform us that they have not been impacted by this IT outage. For now, reporting from Central El Paso, Jesus Baltasar. Stella, back to you.
Okay, Jesus. Texas Tech, by the way, physician social platforms have reported ongoing technical difficulties across clinics in Lubbock, Amarillo, Odessa, and Midland. We're working to learn more, and we'll update you as soon as we have more information on this story.